Hey guys, Sarah here from Cali Craft Cocktails, and today we're making a Godfather. There's a lot of different variations on how to make it. Basically, just do whatever you want to add up to 2 ounces or 60 mils. So here's what we're using. You can do half and half equal parts. You can do 1.5 half. This is ounces too, by the way, so you're gonna have to convert it to mils. But the first time I made it, I really liked it. And then I went to Vegas and I ordered it. And so I never ordered it ever again, and honestly forgot about it until today. So I'm gonna do, I think if you do half-half, it's honestly gonna be a little bit too sweet. So I'm gonna do 1.5 half. It looks terrifying, huh? It is the Godfather, all right. So, give it a stir. You can also, I don't even know if you're supposed to stir it. I think you're just supposed to throw it in a glass, if I'm being honest. Yeah, it's not great. That's okay. That's okay. And it's meant to be served in a rocks glass, but I'm gonna shake it up because I have that one here and it's fun. Just gonna get a julep strainer, strain that in there. I mean, it's the smallest drink I've ever seen, and that's okay. You're supposed to garnish it with a lemon peel, I think, or we can do a little Luxardo. I don't think it deserves a garnish, okay? If I'm gonna be honest with you. It smells like trash. It's okay. You know what? I'm sorry. But I think if you do equal parts, it's gonna be absolutely rubbish. I think 1.5 scotch and a half amaretto is fine. And that's the Godfather. And I think I was a little too judgmental when I started, so sorry about that. Guys, I just want to do a quick edit. The whole crew, I poured it for them, this Godfather, and everybody gave me because they're like, it's not that bad. So honestly, what I think happened was some guy made it and didn't know how to make it, and then that's that. So then that means also that the true specs are 1/2 this Orano, just a half an ounce, or 15 mils, and I got a little cheat sheet here because I am no longer Australian, I'm all American. 15 mils of amaretto, or half an ounce, and then, look at me, I'm 90. Or 45 mils, or 1.5 ounces of scotch, okay? And that's the only way that it should be made. And I'm going on record to say that. Thank you so much.